Hi guys, so I just wanted to share one of my recipes for some healthy chicken breast. So I marinated my chicken yesterday. I just cut my chicken breasts into half to make it nice and thin, easier to cook them in the oven. I put half a cup of vinegar, it tenderizes it. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of lemon pepper, half teaspoon of smoked paprika, and 1/3 cup olive oil. So I let it soak overnight and we're gonna pop it in the oven. All right. Okay, now we've put all of our chicken in the foil with a little bit of olive oil, and I've turned on the convection oven to 325. There we go, and we're just gonna pop it in. Ooh, it's heavy. All right. And bye-bye, chicken. Okay, so it was in the oven about 25 to 27 minutes, and we're gonna cut into it. We don't wait. Us Armenians, we wanna try things right out of the oven, super hot. So there it is, get some juices, okay? It's good, guys. So you can meal prep this, use this as your protein, and add some vegetables, and it's really clean protein. Enjoy.